everyone. I took this week off for my birthday again. Well, I wasn't able to do it last year because I had a bunch of things that came up, and I saved my vacation for December to go on a cruise. But anyway, this year I wanted to go down and see the USS Razorback Museum in Little Rock, Arkansas. And so a few weeks ago I made a reservation at a hotel, and I checked the operating hours of the museum. And I'm Bonehead. I'm gonna have to say it right now, I pulled the Bonehead move. I didn't check their winter hours because it wasn't winter when I made the reservation. In fact, I still don't consider after Labor Day winter, but my birthday falls after Labor Day, and the museum, the Razorback Museum, changes their operating schedule after Labor Day. So their summer hours are Wednesday through Sunday, with Monday and Tuesday off. After Labor Day, that falls to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, with the rest of the days off. So I drove down on a Tuesday, and I checked the website and was a little befuddled. I'm sitting there thinking, what do you mean it's closed? And then I clicked on their winter hours and went, oh, you big dummy. So I am on my way home now. I'm probably 45 or 50 miles from home. I did check to see if there was anything else to do in Little Rock, and there was a fine arts museum, and that's about it. There was the Bill Clinton Presidential Library Museum, but I didn't want to do that. So I will go home and see what else I can do. But thanks for joining me. I will see you later.